Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
The High Court in the public interest litigation related with Kala Academy work contract has clarified that responsibility will be fixed against those government officers who had escaped the tender process and given the work contract to the respondent company. The High Court has further expressed its concern over the shoddy work as alleged by the petitioner and said that government must ensure that contractor company completes the work in accordance with the work contract given to the respondent company. High Court has noted the contract is mammoth 39 crore rupees and it is responsibility of Goa government to ensure that respondent company does the work very concretely and in accordance with the work contract clauses. The High Court has further adjourned this matter for hearing on 29 September. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.